you guys like what I did to my backdrop? I thought adding some Polaroid-like photos would really add to the vibes. Hi there, if you're new here, my name is Jelly. I'm a cosplayer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I become Cheng Xiaoshi. Starting off with my base makeup of primer, foundation, and concealer. Once I'm done with my base, I immediately move on to contour. And then my highlight. Before continuing, I set everything with setting powder. For Cheng Xiaoshi, I do a pretty basic eye look. Using brown eyeliner, I do a very basic wing and connect it at the bottom. Next, I do my aerosol and use a light pink. Lastly, using some reddish brown eyeshadow on an eyeliner brush, I underline the outer corner of my eyes and blend it out a little bit using my fingers. I finish it with some black mascara before moving on to the brows. For my eyebrows, I use an angled eyeliner brush and some dark gray eyeshadow. I've used black in the past. It doesn't look very good. Dark gray looks not my natural. I recently learned that my eyebrows themselves are uneven. I was getting my glasses adjusted and the person, because they were crooked, and the person adjusting them pointed out that my eyebrows are uneven, and that's why my glasses looked a lot more crooked than they were, and now I can't stop thinking about that. But yeah, my eyebrows look uneven with little men. It's not because I suck at it, it's because my eyebrows are weird. Who else is using fanfiction to cope with Blink Click Season 3, probably being last season and ending tragically? I am so scared. Time for blush. Most of the makeup tutorials I watch for how to do no mascara and makeup say not to use blush, but I am very pale, so I have to use a little bit or I'm going to look dead. To be fair, Cheng Xiaoshi probably will be dead by the end of the series, but he's not yet. I set everything with a powder, and then of course the setting spray. Now it's all that's left to do is to get into cosplay. Anyway, that's the video. Are you excited for Season 3 of Blink Click? Are you scared? Are you using fanfiction to cope like I am? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day and enjoy Blink Click.